Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our guys, my name is Kaisar Nawaz, and today our lecture is mobile computing. Overview: what is mobile computing? Why go mobile? Types of wireless device: mobile objective, moving object, database mode, application of mobile computing, challenges, features of mobile computing, and last is conclusion. What is mobile computing? The definition is mobile computing is a technology that allows transmission of data, voice, and video via the computer or any other wireless enabled device without having to be connected to a fixed physical link. Why go mobiles? Enabling anywhere, anytime connectivity. Bring computer communication to areas without pre-existing infrastructures. Enabling mobility, enabling new applications and existing new research areas. Wireless network is a computer network that use wireless data connections between network nodes. Wireless network is a method by which homes, telecommunications networks, and business installations avoid the costly process of introducing cable into a building or a connection between wireless equipment location. Types of wireless device: laptops, palm tops, PDS, cell phones, pagers, and sensors. Mobile objectives, sometimes called mobile agents, or called bits of code that can move to another execution site under their own programmability control, where they can efficiently interact with the local environment. Commercial installations of his technology include Algets from IBM, Concordia from Mitsubishi, and Vegas from Object Space. Moving objective database Stunt mode deals with mobile objectives whose geometry positions changes over time. Traditional database alone is incapable for this purpose. Mode is built on the top of existing DBMS, stand for Database Management System, to support a critical set of capabilities. Compressions, wired and wireless. Comparison is that high bandwidth and low bandwidth, uh, wired high bandwidth, and wireless is low bandwidth. Wired is low bandwidth variability, and wireless is high bandwidth variability. Wire is can listen on wire, and wireless is hidden terminal problem. Wire is high powered machines, and wireless is low power machines. Wire is high resource machines, and wireless is low resource machines. Wire is low delay, and wireless is high delay. Wire is connected operations, and wireless is disconnected operations. Application of mobile computing for state agents in code in companies, stock information collections control, credit card verifications, tax truck and dispatch, electronic mail and pegging. Challenges: disconnections, low bandwidth, high bandwidth availability, low power and resource, security risk, wide variety terminal and device with different capabilities, device attributes fit more functionality into a single smaller device. Advantage: location flexibility, save times, enhance productivity, ease of research, entertainment, streamlining of business process. Future of mobile computing: use of artificial intelligence, integrated circuitry, compact size, increase in computer processor speed. Conclusion is today computing has rapidly grown from being confined to single locations. With mobile computing, people can work from the comfort of any locations they wish to age long.